San Francisco International Airport is trying to solve for that question. We've been working for about 3 years in trying to build a network of producers, suppliers, NGOs, and others to really engage the market and be able to scale delivery to our airport. We've created what we think is a model for other airports, and we've done that through engaging directly with that network, figuring out where the gaps are in terms of what we've learned, infrastructure, as well as trying to create new incentives that can help get sustainable aviation fuel closer to price parity with conventional jet. We think that we can do that through airport investment. We just commissioned a financial feasibility study that looks at how airports can engage in funding those co-benefits, and then also figuring out how we can really work with the state of California to grow and scale beyond the low carbon fuel standard. It was a great first step, but we know we need to go far beyond that in order to really raise up those volumes and bring them into our state, because California is really the model for the rest of the world. And so if we can deliver higher incentives for those infrastructure investments to get to cost parity, and also really elevate consumer awareness, it starts in California and it grows far beyond. So we think there's a market potential of about 350 million gallons right now, but we know it's going to accelerate much beyond that. So in California, we use about 4 billion gallons of fuel. Our goal in working with the state of California is to be able to get to a 5% by 2025, which is about 150 million gallons. We think that that is replicable across the state. The next point in terms of infrastructure and supply chain is that 80% of that fuel is demanded by 2 airports, SFO and LAX. So we think that it definitely is a scalable model. We also know that the production capability is happening across the US, and we expect that to grow over time. So airports should be working to serve their campuses with fuels that have adjacency in terms of production. Our goal is never to bring fuel from wildly far away in terms of the life cycle carbon intensity of that fuel. We want to get it closer to our own campus, and so we think there's immense potential for other airports to do that, certainly nationwide and obviously internationally.